Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crochet circle. To begin your perfect crochet circle, you will start with either a magic ring or by chaining 2 stitches. Once you have your starting point, work 6 single crochet stitches into it. This forms the very first round of your circle. Make sure your tension is consistent from the start to ensure a neat and flat foundation for your project. Now that you have your first round complete, it is time to expand your circle. For the second round, you will work 2 single crochet stitches into every single stitch from the previous round. This simple increase method will effectively double your stitch count, bringing you to a total of 12 stitches. Remember to use a stitch marker to easily identify the beginning of each new round. To keep your crochet circle perfectly flat as it grows, you need to continue increasing your stitches strategically. For the third round, you will alternate 1 single crochet stitch with 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch. Each subsequent round will follow a similar pattern, increasing your total stitch count by 6 stitches per round. This consistent and evenly spaced increase is key to preventing your circle from becoming a bowl shape. When your crochet circle has reached the size you need, it is time for the finishing touches. To fasten off, cut your yarn, leaving a tail of about 6 inches, and pull it through the last loop on your hook. Then, use a yarn needle to carefully weave in all loose ends, securing them invisibly into your stitches. A gentle blocking can help your circle lay perfectly flat and give it a polished, professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.